Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you own a trusted Apple device already signed into the same Apple ID. Once signed in, go to Settings on iOS or System Settings on Mac OS, then tap or click your name. From Password and Security, you can request a verification code directly from that device. This bypasses needing a phone number. Make sure your device is online and unlocked. Do this now so you can generate the code immediately when prompted during sign-in. On your trusted device, generate the code by selecting Get Verification Code under Password and Security. Once done, the code appears on screen for immediate use. Copy it exactly into the sign-in prompt. If you have multiple trusted devices, check each. One will show the code. Make sure the device has internet access because the system needs to verify device status before issuing a code. If you plan to reuse the device, enable iCloud and keep it updated to. If you cannot access a trusted device, start account recovery at iForget. Apple. Com using your Apple ID and follow prompts for a recovery key or trusted email. Once started, Apple may take time to verify ownership. Expect a wait. Make sure you can access any recovery email you provided. If things fail, try signing out and back into iCloud on another device, update your operating system, or contact Apple support for guided recovery assistance. This often resolves stuck verification attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.